Hello, everybody. Day 2. Day tour. Actually, this is like day 1, like the first full day.
Let's not relive yesterday.
Because yesterday was kind of a shit show. Because it was more like a travel day.
Yeah, it was.
Versus
Oh my gosh, day.
like a full vacation day. But we're just leaving our room right now. So you can see the little adventure we have to go through.
We needed to leave because the local rooster was getting pissed at us for not getting up.
It did on my cousin Vinny this morning. You know that scene where it's like, ah, ah, ah.
Where are you going?
And he goes, oh. And he
Take a
goes,
left.
what the F? That was us this morning. That's what woke me up.
No, that wasn't us. That was you.
Oh, yeah, you were already up. So.
Yeah, I was up.
Now we're headed to the continental breakfast.
Look at the coconuts. Look at your nuts.
What the? Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I couldn't
It's
help
already
it.
starting. Well, got a little groceries because we're
Now
not.
look who's carrying them.
Oh crap! I'm not gonna live that down. Thank you very much.
Didn't even offer.
Here, let me do something.
Yeah, too late now. I'm almost there.
Shoot. The stupid vlogging's getting in the way of me doing
What?
manual labor. Let's
Oh,
just
now
put it
it's
that
the
way.
vlogging's fault.
That's the vlogging's fault. It's always the
Okay,
vlogging's
watch
fault.
out for the tree.
Whoa. All right. Well, we had to get some food because we're not paying outrageous prices in the Bahamas, which these are probably outrageous anyway. I think a bottle of water is like $1.80.
This trip was free, so I'm going to make sure I'm as frugal as I could be on it.
Yeah, we're frugal in it. So now we're just walking. We're gonna get a golf cart later on today, and then hit the island. But we're gonna hit the beach first. We haven't even been to the beach yet.
It's all about fun with, what is that? What's that saying? Fun with no funds?
Yeah. I don't know.
want to spend my funds.
Maybe that's her saying. I've never heard fun with no fun, but
You could have the fun without spending it on a lady.
oh, okay. That's what we're talking about.
Huh?
Fun with no fun.
Fun with no funds. Like,
Oh,
not fun with no fun.
fun's with no money.
How's that? How's fun with no fun?
Fun's with no
That
money.
makes no sense.
Yeah. All right. It's hotter than blazes out here today. Let's just put it that way. But
So
that's what we
nice.
want.
Compared to the downpour yesterday. Watch out, crazy ass golfer, stop.
Yeah. Whoa, we're gonna get run over. And so we are chilling over here on the beach today. Today was like a beach day, right? Because you can see the clouds that are up there. We don't know.
Rain while we're laying in the sun.
Yeah, we had a little tropical storm like yesterday when we came in, but
A
then
little yesterday.
yeah, okay, it was a freaking downpour. But outside of that, it's not been bad at all. Today it's been sunny and we got some cloud covers coming, which is great on the beach. So we're just chilling out. But we did learn a tropical storm. It's not necessarily a tropical storm in the Caribbean. It's more like, hey, it's gonna come in, it's gonna rain, it's gonna leave. But it's got a great breeze today. We were able to get some sun in, and we did some live streaming on Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there at John Nacarado. Check it out, Tanya Nacarado over there. And then we did some Facebook Live stuff. And now we're just gonna call it a chill day. We're gonna find a place to eat downtown, and maybe
Wash off the salt and sand.
yeah, we do some rinsing because we got salt where we shouldn't have salt. Not pleasant.
Yeah, where sand should not be.
Yeah, not pleasant. Nah, there's a little chafing going on, if you know what I mean. Then, what else are we gonna do today? Took some
Plan
pic-
out tomorrow. Have some drinks.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Tour of our little wildlife here.
yeah, we're gonna watch some more wildlife. Took some pictures today. Oh, hello. Hello, lady.
Found me baby, what's that thing?
I don't know who that is. There
That
she
thing
is. Oh, she's stopping. Yeah, little iguana running around. We got the roosters running around. So it's a very, very cool little quaint island. Everybody is super friendly here. That you drive on the left-hand side of the road, and in the right-hand passenger seat. So that's a little different. We haven't driven yet, but we're getting golf carts. I think tomorrow we're going to explore the entire island, and that's basically the best way to explore this island is by golf cart. So that's what we're going to do. But today was like beach day, right? Right. And anyway, that's all we got for today. We will see. What the? Okay, I thought we had the whole beach to ourselves. Apparently, we do not. And this, I thought was secluded. Apparently, it's not. That's okay. All right. But anyway, we will see you guys later. Peace.
I can't help it, it's windy out
I'm
here.
trying to take a selfie.
So sorry, I can't keep.
Please, I want to take a selfie.
Well, I can't. You want to take a selfie because of it?
Yes, come on. We're at the Caribbean.
Then go.